Cool.
Okay, so 60 seconds to triangle pose. So if you could step out with your right foot, and you're going to turn the right toes to face this side of the room. So you're going to have your heels roughly in line. So the front foot is pointing at 12 o'clock and the back foot at roughly 90 degrees. We're going to inhale to lift the arms up. Now you can come into it with a straight front leg or a bent knee. So we're going to ask the hips bend into the front knee and then start to pivot. So remember, this is a thoracic rotation. So we want the rib cages rotating round to the ceiling and then reaching up. If it feels comfortable, we can start to straighten into the front leg, really squeezing into this muscle here and lengthening from the hip all the way up to the shoulder. You can take the gaze up to the fingertips, or you can stay looking down if it bothers your neck, and then you're going to root very strongly into both feet evenly. Triangle pose.